Well, hello. I'm just going to go through here a couple finds that I've been picking up. I throw this last week. Start with this bag here. It's a nice reproduction case sign with Old Abe the Eagle on it. Hang this up here in the shed. This was an estate sale the other day. Ammo box. Always leaving these somewhere. You can never find where I put them. Got a pair of outside calipers. These ones are Starrett. Wing dividers that are Bemis and Call. Inside calipers, these ones are Union. Union tool. A pair of Dunlap linemans. These linemans here. So you can get the light right. It says Winchester. Yeah, it says in the firearm company. Let's put these back. And today, got a Tri-Square here. Mark Stanley. And usually missing, we've got the little scribe. Little chisel. You can always, the edge is shot, so this would just be for scraping now, whatever I have. These pliers are pretty cool. They are stamped somewhere. West Germany. We'll clean these up. They're kind of neat. 12-inch Dimaloy Diamond Caulk Horseshoe Company out of Duluth, Minnesota. Almost full can of turpentine. Framing square. It's stamped, but I can't see it. And let's move you over here so you can see these bar clamps I picked up. Picked up these bar clamps here. They're about 5 foot tall. Handy Manufacturing Company. They both pretty good sized clamps. I'm excited to get those. But thanks for watching. Come back next time.